is back with another video. I know this is a weird way to have an intro, but I am prepping my wig right now. I just pulled it out of the box. I got it from YSwigs. I'll link this unit with all the details down below. There's just so many things you have to do to prep a wig. You can't just take it out of the box and then put it on your head, right? So as you can see, I'm working with the inside of the cap structure right now. I'm actually sewing down an elastic band. I measured it from ear to ear. I will link these down below. I always keep this on hand for the inside of my wigs. It's my favorite method to really lay the lace down because it's really tight and secure. This really allows you to have like that snug fit. Yeah, you might get a little bit of a headache, but it is worth it. It looks so good in the end. So I measured my head from ear to ear with the elastic band, and then I minus maybe like 2.5 inches because you know it stretches. You want it to lay nice and tight. So I'm going to sew this onto the other side. I'll show you guys how I do that in a second, but I wanted to show you what the cap looked like before I cut off the extra lace. As you can see, there's some lace in the back. Break it down. So here is the wig, again straight out of the box. It comes pre-plucked. I'm gonna cut the lace after I wash the unit, but here is the inside of the cap structure. You have the bands at the bottom, which are adjustable. I have a small head, so it's hard for me to find like a super tight fit, which is why I swear by the elastic band method. So you got a clip here at the base of your neck. Oh, they actually threw another clip here at the top of the head, as well as one on either side of your ear. So this is gonna be laid, and I'm super excited to style it. Right now, it came out of the box with this curly texture, a little bit of a wave to it, and it's super dense. So, love that. I'm gonna wash it, get her nice and fresh and clean, and then we're going to style her. Alright, so now that I blow dried the hair, for the most part it's super straight, but of course I want to sleek it out so it's not so poofy from just being blow dried. So I'm using my straightener on the hottest setting. So I'm gonna let that heat up for a second, and I have to say this hair is thick. Like, it's very thick, and that's what I like about it, being that this is also colored. It's a nice little honey blonde situation going on. I love this against my complexion. So I think that being that this is colored hair, the quality of it is so nice. It doesn't feel dry at all. So I'm just gonna split my hair into halves so I can't, like, look how thick that is. So we can focus on one side at a time. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of hair serum. This is what I love to use when I'm straightening or heat styling my hair or my extensions. It really just makes it have a nice little shine to it, and it just makes it even more sleek. I'm just gonna brush that through. And you guys know how to straighten your hair, so I'm just gonna put this in like fast forward so you guys can see. I always just section my hair off because I want it to be super duper straight, but do whatever method works best for you. I just finished straightening this beautiful unit, so I'm gonna go in. I have this little side part thing going on, and there's a little bit of flyaways here that you can see, so I'm just gonna pull maybe like a few at a time out so they're not sticking up all over the place. And then the rest I'm just going to secure with a little bit of hairspray. This is a soft gold, just so they're not standing up looking wild. Alright. Look at this. She's shiny, she's healthy. I love this color. I love that it's very thick. The density of it is like perfect for me. I love that I can curl it and I can straighten it and it's gonna hold the style that I want. I also like this length. 16 inches I think is a pretty good length, which also makes it more affordable because it's not super duper long, right? So I'm gonna leave this wig down below. Again, you guys can get it from YSwigs.com, and I'll put all the details in case you want to get this exact style in the description box as well. So check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you dolls in my next video very soon. Bye!